On a cold Christmas Eve, a little girl named Lily lived in a small, warm house. Outside, white snow fell slowly from the sky. Inside, the house was bright and cozy. Lily sat on the floor with her mom and dad. They were decorating the Christmas tree together. "Look, Daddy," Lily said. "I want to put the star on the top." Dad smiled and lifted Lily up. "You can do it," he said. The star shone softly. Lily clapped her hands. "It's beautiful." Mom brought hot milk with honey. "Time to relax," she said gently. Later, Lily put on her pajamas. They were red with tiny snowflakes. She brushed her teeth and hugged her teddy bear. Mom tucked Lily into bed. Dad sat beside her. "Daddy," Lily asked quietly, "do you think Santa Claus will come tonight?" Dad smiled. "Of course. Santa comes to children who sleep well." Lily nodded. "I will sleep fast," she said. Mom kissed Lily on the forehead. "Sweet dreams, Lily." The room became quiet. The lights were low. Only the Christmas tree glowed softly. Lily closed her eyes. Suddenly, she heard a small sound. Tap, tap. Lily opened her eyes slowly. She saw a red coat near the window. "Ho, ho, ho," said a warm voice. It was Santa Claus. Lily sat up in bed. "Santa," she whispered. Santa smiled kindly. "Hello, Lily. Thank you for being a good girl." He placed a small gift near her pillow. "This is for you," he said. "Thank you," Lily said softly. Santa looked around the room. "Your family loves you very much," he said. Lily felt warm inside. She smiled. Santa waved and walked to the window. In a moment he was gone. Lily lay down again. Her eyes felt heavy. In the morning, Lily woke up to bright light. She ran to her parents. "Mom! Dad! Santa came!" Mom and Dad smiled at each other. "Merry Christmas," Mom said. Lily hugged her parents tightly. Her heart was full of joy, and it was the happiest Christmas morning